and still I want to learn things because I used to teach in classes earlier. Okay, so I want to become a AI teacher. If B10x gives an opportunity, I will join B10x. uh, Madam, last year I was a senior manager. Okay, now this year I have been upgraded to group manager. Okay, this is my career wise one achievement. Okay, and that too by getting rating as outperformed among many of our employees. Okay, and the achievement basic I mainly focused on because since I'm on a non-IT background. Okay, but I'm very happy that this course in the first lecture only it was made by both Aditya sir clearly that this course will be for non-IT background people also. Okay, not that it is only for IT background people. Okay, so basically this course helped me for my presentation to the senior management. Okay, okay, my communication skills using ChatGPT. Okay, and every week I have to present one report to our senior management, president. Okay, supply chain head and all that. This course has helped me to make those reports and present to the senior management. This course has helped me to work more efficiently in my day-to-day work.
So, hi Keshav Kamath, welcome. It's such a pleasure to have you here. Before we begin, how are you feeling?
Nice, madam.
Today, we want to go beyond just the outcomes. We want to explore your full journey, like where you started, what pushed you, how you learned, what you applied, and ultimately how you transformed. Okay, so firstly, I would like to know, want you to introduce about yourself.
Okay, myself Keshav Kamath. Okay, I born and brought up in Mumbai. Okay, and I completed in education. I completed MCom. Basic qualification is MCom. Okay, then I joined Hindustan Lever at the age of 18. Okay, I worked in Hindustan Lever for 9 years. Okay, now I am working in. Then I joined Panasonic India for 5 years. Okay, then I joined Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Next month I will be completing 25 years in Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail.
So, how did you hear about this masterclass? Was it through some ad or someone or some community?
My friend who is a head of finance in Ashok Leyland. Okay, he is a student of your institute. Okay, he joined 1.5 months before me. His name is Arbinda. Okay, so he's head of finance and HR in Ashok Leyland. So he told me that this course you must join, and I was passionate about learning. In our building, we have a professor who teaches AI, got national award for best teacher from Draupadi Murmu 2 years back. So I was very passionate about learning AI and implementation of AI in my day-to-day operations. So when I attended the first lecture of Financial Accelerator, I decided that I will definitely join this. And my plan is after this course, I will join that course of Financial Accelerator. And still, I want to learn things because I used to teach in classes earlier. Okay, so I want to become a AI teacher. If B10x gives an opportunity, I will join B10x.
So, were you able to consistently attend the live classes? If yes, what?
Yes, madam. Only 1 or 2 classes I missed because of some network issues and all that. I stay in Bangalore in Electronic City. Though our location name is Electronic City, but we don't. In my building, nearby my building, there are no towers and all.
What is the achievement that you have achieved through this program?
Uh, Madam, last year I was a senior manager. Okay.
Mhm.
Now this year I have been upgraded to group manager. Okay. This is my career wise one achievement. Okay. And that too by getting rating as a outperformed among many of our employees. Okay. And the achievement basic I mainly focused on because since I'm on a non-IT background. Okay. But I'm very happy that this course in the first lecture only it was made by both Aditya sir clearly that this course will be for non-IT background people also. Okay. Not that it is only for IT background people. Okay. So basically this course helped me for my presentation to the senior management. Okay. Okay. My communication skills using ChatGPT. Okay. And every week I have to present one report to our senior management president. Okay, supply chain head and all that. This course has helped me to make those reports and present to the senior management. This course has helped me to work more efficiently in my day-to-day work.
Great. Sir, initially, did you expect these results from the masterclass?
No, madam. To be frank, I told you, na, I was not knowing anything in AI. Okay, so I started learning now, and then whenever I completed my education in Marathi medium. Okay, being from Maharashtra, so I started attending some videos in Marathi, YouTube videos in Marathi. Okay, so that I can understand what is the what happens in that. Then started attending learning from YouTube videos and all. Okay, but the way of teaching in B10x is the simplest one that anybody can learn. Okay, but due to my time schedule and my profile and all that, I'm not able to attend Q&A sessions. But whenever I get the time, I definitely see what is happening. Okay, and in our learning portal, latest development in AI by Aditya sir. Okay, so whenever because my role is such que Monday to Saturday will be full busy. Okay, get only 1 or 2 hours. That is I opted for this Saturday and Sunday evening course. So definitely it has helped me to learn.
Thank you so much, sir. And what would you say to someone who is on the fence to join this masterclass?
Madam, many people have asked me that since you are doing me, tell this thing.
Mhm.
One thing about this is now I also get many messages and all. In the name of AI, many institutes are charging very huge amounts. Okay,
Mhm.
and really people don't know whether they should join the course and all that. Okay, but the fees which are charged by B10x is very reasonable. So monthly, if you see monthly, it is coming to 4 to 5,000 rupees. Okay, that we will spend in our 2 dinners with family in the any hotel. Okay, so this way, what you say, I will definitely recommend. I already given the link, or I have given shown the lectures of Aditya sir and all that. Okay, how our teachers at this young age, how they are delivering the lectures and all that. So definitely, some leads will be definitely coming from me for B10x.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
Keshav Kamath, your story is genuinely inspiring. Thank you so much for opening up and sharing your experience so honestly. One last question before we close. What's
Okay.
next for you? Like now you have hit the milestone, and what are you excited to build or chase next?
Madam, my as I mentioned, my passion for learning and all that, I want to develop AI agent. Okay, I want to develop app because currently in our company we are developing somebody else for apps development
Okay.
or some software development. I would like to develop one app for my company or an AI agent for my company or any any tuition classes or all that. Okay, where currently only education, that is basic college education, is taught. I want to this will be one subject, because few years back, if you see, computer was not there in the school syllabus. Okay. Now computer is there in syllabus in the small scale from 8th standard or 7th standard. Same way, I am hoping that one day will definitely come when AI will be compulsory in schools. I want to become ready for that.
Oh, wish you all the best. Thank you
Yes,
once
madam.
again. We are so proud to be a part of your journey, and we know your story will motivate others to take that leap too.